Check 1, 2, filming a video out here. Final video of the year. Let's go. I'm Alex, and you're watching Out in the Lights. And these are going to be the best bags of 2025. There's affiliate links as well as full review links in the description below. So let's start off this list with an all-time classic. It's the Air City Pack Pro 2. And Air products are great because not only do they have this stylish, modern look to them, but they are also really well made and durable. The City Pack Pro 2 is constructed with a 1680D Cordura nylon, which is just about as thick as you can get. This thing has YKK zippers and Duraflex hardware, which are two of the best in the game. And at 24 liters, the clamshell style opening and extremely padded shoulder straps make this thing awesome for minimalist personal item one bag travel. Next is another gorgeous black bag, the expandable backpack from Tortuga. And the design of this bag is just so thoughtful. It makes carrying a heavily packed out backpack really effortless. There are load lifters to better distribute the weight higher up on your back, a great sternum strap, tons of padding on the back panel and shoulder straps, and a really nice hip belt. I love the simplicity of the clamshell style opening, which makes it really easy to pack this bag out. And if you need a little extra room or you buy too many souvenirs on your trip, the bag will expand from 27 liters to 32.5. I love this next backpack so much that I reached out to the creators of it to collaborate with them on my own Out in the Lights version. It's the Vous, Pouvez, Dormir dans la Grange backpack. I look at this everyday carry bag as more than just a backpack. To me, this thing is really a work of art. I've never seen another backpack like it, and it just shows that you can make something super functional that is also beautiful and unique. Every little detail from its waterproof Italian cotton outer to its French full-grain leather handle, this bag is just so top-notch. My favorite things about this bag is they are all handmade in small factories in France, which feels like a relic of the past. When it comes to budget backpacks, there is one company that is light years ahead of everyone else, and that is Tomtoc. This year, we saw the release of a light version of their all-time great bag, the T66, and it did not disappoint. This 40-liter bag features everything from high-quality polyester to premium YKK zippers, all while remaining under a $100 price point, which is just absurd. Not only are the features and specs impressive, it's genuinely a very comfortable bag to carry, and it's a real joy to pack with its generous main compartment. They even added a 28-liter version for only $90 for all of my minimalists out there. The next bag was a big surprise for me because when I first tested it out, I wasn't really sold on the shape of it, but for some reason I just kept coming back to this bag throughout the year when I was reaching for a sling. It's the Alpaka Flow Satchel. It's a pretty simple sling, but the design is really well thought out and makes for a great user experience. The 4-liter version offers a ton of space, and it makes carrying a water bottle really easy with that exterior pocket. Now, a lot of slings are doing that middle of the bag water bottle carry thing these days where you have two compartments and then some elastic where the bottle fits in, which I'm honestly not a huge fan of. So the way Alpaka does it with this bag is super refreshing. Last but definitely not least, we have the backpack of the year. And if you watch this channel, this will be of no surprise to you that the Pioneer Carry Duration Pack takes the top spot. And for me and my personal carry style, this is as close to perfect as you can get. From its weird, chunky zippers to its cheeky luggage tag, the beautiful Mandarin 840 fabric to the bag standing on its own, the Duration Pack never disappoints. And I know, it's an expensive luxury bag, but it's worth every penny in my opinion, because it's a bag that will probably outlive you. So just a couple other end of the year favorites before we wrap things up. Favorite movie of the year has to be One Battle After Another. My favorite old movie that I watched for the first time this year has to be Persona. Favorite TV show this year is Severance. Favorite old TV show that I'm rewatching is The Drew Carey Show. Favorite record of the year is Hostile Design by Black Eyes. First album in 21 years. Picks up right where they left off. It's noisy, it's punk, it's dub, it's free jazz. It is essential listen for this year. Best record I bought this year has to be Air, Moon Safari, demos and live tracks. There's a great Funkadelic cover on it that you're going to love. And yeah, other than that, let's wrap up 2025. And what I want to do now is I just really want to say thanks to everyone who has watched a video this year, to everyone who has subscribed to the channel, who has made a comment, who bought one of my bags, who supported the channel through affiliate links or bought me a coffee. This has been a really big year of growth for the channel. We nearly doubled our subscribers from this time last year. So I can only hope that we keep up that momentum for 2026. So truly, thank you for tuning in each week. I really do love making these videos, and I really hope that you love watching them too. So yeah, this will be the last video for this year, but I do have some really fun stuff planned for January, including a passport wallet roundup, a what's in my toiletries bag video featuring some Air Dop kits. We're gonna have another field notes video, but this one's gonna be on their products that aren't notebooks. And then we're gonna have some more new backpack reviews. We have a bunch of those coming in January as well. So with that, I just wanna say thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.